Hi, this is Dorothy Kelty from Raconelli Creations, and this is the challenge, the Line Dot Arrow Challenge, and it's also in Two Sister Jam and in Sophie's Crafty Corner. But these are using papers from Line Dot Arrow, and this is some of her freebies from the Facebook group, and it's also using elements from her brown velvet kit. Now, she's doing bingo this month, and what we're doing is we're making things from the letters of bingo. So B-I-N-G-O, okay? So this is a book page, and I'm making a belly band. Now, there is two ways this could be a belly band. If you glued it down this side here and this side here to your page, then you would have a belly band going behind it, all the way back on the page like this, okay? But in addition, this pocket, if you don't glue down this bottom thing, this bottom line right here after you fold it, this is also a belly band. And let me show you. Nope, you have to put it in the right place. Oh, I did have it in the right place. Okay, it's gonna go all the way through, and you have a belly band through the center of the pocket. So this could be a double belly band because you could glue the sides down here and then also use the center. Now the other thing, if you don't glue on the bottom where these folds are, and you would glue it by putting glue along here and gluing this down and folding this in. But if you don't do that, this will actually open up all the way, and you have hidden journaling place in there, which I also think is fun. Okay, so this is I used the full book page and then decorated it. I have videos on how to do that if anybody's interested. So let's just put some stuff in these pockets. So I have Nathalie's postcard and then some scraps that can go right back here, okay? And then this card can go in this pocket here, okay? And then you have a pocket right here in the front, and this is Nathalie's little clipboard, and I just cut below here and stuck the paper through so it looks like it's clipped on, okay? And then once again, the belly band goes right back here and through here. So I thought that was fun for B is for B of bingo, a book page belly band. Thanks for watching.